Looking around, looking for a way, but no one tells me which way to go. I'm caught up in.
Hey guys, what's up? Spencer from Toys Paintball, episode 2 of What's in the Box. This is another box from ANS Gear. So let's answer that question, what is in the box? Alright, so open it up, paper, then you've got invoice, a list of every single paintball retailer and their phone number and website in here. That's going to be really helpful. It's every single paintball manufacturer. I'll open that up later. Alright, put this aside. Oops. In here, we've got another sponsorship package. It's got all these stickers. Oh, cool, new stickers. These are cool. All ANS Gear stickers, so you can rock ANS Gear. Another squeegee. Another Warrior Halo speed feed. A barrel swab. This is actually a really nice barrel swab. 2 black felt nipple covers. And more CO2 O-rings. Okay, then you've got 4 pods. 4 pods. Pod. These are all NXT pods. I'm surprised that they ship me NXT pods instead of like ANS Gear pods, but it works. Then we've got the NXT 09 Evolution tank cover. Looks really nice, feels great. Then, to go with the tank cover, we've got a Ninja 5045 carbon fiber tank. Let's open this up. I'm really excited about this. Whew! Alright. Pull off the paper. Nice. It's really light. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's take this out. That's light. It's a really nice gloss black. Very nice tank. What else comes in here? We've got a manual with, it looks like, some tools. Now, usually you get a steel thread saver, but they gave me a plastic one with 2 O-rings on it. That's alright though. It'll do. Looks like it's got a little plastic cover on the gauge. It's pretty cool. Just took that off. Alright, so that answers your guys' question of what's in the box.
Morning, put my key in the door, body's laying all over the floor, and I don't remember how they got there, but I guess I must have killed them. I said, it's 3 AM in the morning, put my key in the door, body's laying